Are you getting this error? I'm going to show you how to fix it right now. What's up guys, this is Jason with Red Bee Labs and welcome to the channel. So a little bit ago my son came to me and he was saying that he was having problems opening up Bleacher Report and the YouTube app. It was telling him that the app was no longer shared with him. So I did some research and I fixed the issue and I just wanted to share it with you guys. Okay, so the first thing you do is you want to get your phone and you want to go to settings. Then you want to go to general, then you want to go to iPhone storage. From there you want to scroll after your apps load, you want to scroll down to find the app that is not working for you. In our case it's YouTube. So you want to click on that and then go to offload app. Once it offloads, then you want to go back to the icon on your home screen or whatever folder you have it in. There you want to go ahead and tap the app and let it re-download itself. And once it downloads itself, you'll be able to use whatever app was giving you that error. I mean, it's as simple as that. It's a Apple bug and they should fix it soon. But in the meantime, if you just want to follow these instructions, you'll be back up and running right away. So that's it guys. If you found the value in this video, if you could press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Also, if you smash that like button, leave me a comment or two, and share this video. It would mean the world to me. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.